Hey, I'm Mandy. Today I want to show you how to study smarter in just 25 minutes using AI. It's called the 25-minute AI Study Sprint. Step 1. Pick one topic. It can be a chapter, a worksheet, or a past paper page. Step 2. Ask AI. Make a 25-minute study sprint for topic. Include 5 minutes recap, 15 minutes of 6 practice questions, and 5 minutes answer check. Step 3. Set a timer. Do the questions without help, phone face down. Step 4. Check and learn. If you have a memo, mark with it. If not, ask AI. Show step-by-step solutions to these 6 questions and the 3 most common mistakes. Step 5. Fix what stuck. Write a tiny mistake log. Topic, what went wrong, the correct step, and 1 line to remember next time. That's it. Short, smart sessions. I'm Mandy, here to make learning easier with AI. Save this, share it with a friend, and try your first sprint tonight.